Hi, friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and I want to talk about two words, doubt and fear. You know, doubts would have killed more dreams than failure can ever do that. So, if you are killing your doubt, then only you can move ahead. If you keep on doubting, you know what your doubts convert into? Fears. And this fear can only be countered upon by action. And for that action, you need to have clarity. Clarity in what you are aiming at. If, let's imagine, you want a good rank in the entrance exams that come ahead, or you want to establish your practice, or you want to have a good surgery, you need to think about the preparation, what to read, what to watch, and finally go prepared and act. If you keep on thinking, what will be your result? How will the surgery do? How many patients can I see a day? You will go into doubts and fear. So, act. Stop thinking. There is a minimum analysis required. But overanalysis will create so much of doubts and fear in your heart, you will lead to inaction. As Swami Vivekananda aptly said, think of a goal. That should be your dream. Breathe in, breathe out every day. If you do that, what will come is success. Don't think of anything else. Just sideline everything. Think of only one thing. And if you do that, nobody, just nobody can stop you. There are so many beautiful, talented brains which have been suppressed by doubts and fear. And people who had action, decision making, thoughts towards the action, plan towards the action, and the glorious word, passion in them, have achieved in spite of not being so talented. So remember, hard-working, focused people who act achieve more than the people who just plan and live with doubts and fear. So act, kill your doubt, kill your fear. All the very best. Thank you very much.